Welcome to Bright Kids Learning. Let's have fun and learn together.
Hello, kids. Let's sing and learn animal sounds together. Yay!
The dog says woof woof. The dog says woof woof. Bark, bark, bark.
The cat says meow meow. The cat says meow meow. Soft and sweet.
The cow says moo moo. The cow says moo moo. Loud and strong.
The duck says quack quack. The duck says quack 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 all day. Woof, meow, moo, quack, animal sounds. Let's sing them back.
Great job, kids! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bright Kids Learning.